Hello Eds, happy birthday. I wish you more success and good health. As a friend, I always appreciate you as a business partner, of course. I wish that you will be more happy with your marriage life and at the same time with your career. So, have a good day. Bye.
To my kumpare, Edsel, pare, happy birthday to you. And I wish that many more birthday to come. And just continue serving the Lord. And we do believe we are the mighty man of God. God bless you.
Hi, Boo! Happy birthday! I hope you get everything your precious heart desires. Love you long time. Happy birthday!
Yo, bro, I wish you happy birthday. When the party at, man? Yo, I wish you so many more years to come. And I hope you come by to karaoke so we can have this party. Alright, see you. Peace.
Praise the Lord. I would like to greet Brother Edsel a happy birthday. My prayer for you is that God will use you mightily in His ministry here in Ghent. And I pray that the Lord will grant the very desire of your heart. You are such a blessing to us, so be a channel of blessing unto others also. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Brother Edsel, alam mo yung isa kong maaalala sa iyo ay yung mga masasayang moment natin. At
Chris Boy, away there, the other.
Sinasabi ni Sister Juliet na sa akin na ni Sister Baby pala na dadala mong plato at humingi ka ng plato doon at dadala mo yung plato na yun at yung nangihingi ka ng kanin. Para sa akin, parang you treated us talagang real brothers and sisters talaga. Kaya natutuwa ako sa iyo and continue to serve God with all your heart. And I pray, kagaya ng sinabi ni Sister Baby, that God will bless you beyond your imagination. Happy birthday and continue to love your wife. God bless you.